Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Today we're going to talk about why Microsoft Word is better than Google Docs on an iPad. I know this is very trivial, but it is very important to note that from work at home people like myself, for those who make their money out of working in front of computers, making contents, written literature, it is important to have the tools that you have work for you instead of working or living with the tools that is given to you. So you have two options when it comes to editing Word documents. Actually, a lot of options. One of these options is Microsoft Word. This is it on an iPad. You can download it directly from the App Store. It's free. That's why I highly recommend this. And this is for me, the better word editor for iPad, and my iPad is currently docked on the Logitech keyboard that I previously reviewed on the channel. It's very nifty. You can connect iOS devices, Android devices, and even your PC with Bluetooth connectivity. The second option is Google Docs. This is Google Docs right here, and Google Docs is from Google. You can use the desktop version on a web browser. It's a web app that requires internet, and by the way, Microsoft Word doesn't really require internet to work. And this is a free application too that you can download over the App Store, and just log in your Google account and you can use this. So let's compare them. Why is it that Word is better than Docs? First point is the editing tools in Microsoft Word is more extensive than in Google Docs. So let's check. This is your toolbar, the ribbon on top. You have home, insert, draw. You can draw on your document. You can draw with touch, or if you have an iPad with a pen, you can use that. You can do layouts, margins, orientation, sizes, pretty extensive. You can also track changes if you want to have a collaborative effort with someone and you want to track the changes so that you know where you changed something in the document. And you can also change the view of your document. You can also pinch to zoom, and you can see the print view. You can also choose to do a mobile view. See, so print layout. So this is it. This is Microsoft Word. So let's check on Google Docs. If you want to open a Word document in Google Docs, this is how you will see it: the file name and the content right away. You have your add collaborators and some message to your collaborators, and of course the edit button right here. You tap that, that's your tools. That is very minimal. It is not good to have just basic formatting tools and have all the tools, additional tools here. This is way minimal compared to this. How can Microsoft Word has packed a lot of stuff in this area than Google Docs. So see for yourself. That's the first point. The editing tools is better in Microsoft Word. Second, the user experience is closer to the desktop in Microsoft Word than in Google Docs. So if you're familiar with Windows operating system and of course Microsoft Word, you will know that this is like a mini version or a baby version of that application. So you have the tools that are necessary, the essentials, but it's not you have the most important tools, I should say. They added as much as they can. In Google Docs, if you use the web app, this is not the experience that you're gonna have. So basically, Google wants you to make your content from the web app and just view it through the mobile app and do some minor editing. Does it expect you to create it from scratch here? Because if you're just typing, that's okay. You can have italics, bold, underlined, strike through, and all the highlights and font colors, but it's limited compared to Microsoft Word. So the user experience is affected by the limited number of tools, and it is closer to the desktop application than what Google offers. And the last reason why Microsoft Word is better than Google Docs on an iPad with a keyboard or even without a keyboard is the advanced features were implemented better in Microsoft Word than in Google Docs. For example, I love this feature, the track changes. You can see that if you want to change something and you want to let the other member of your team know where you've changed something, this is very important. But if you're working alone, no problem. You can also export to PDF right here. You can export to open document text if you have Open Office or LibreOffice, and PDF for emails. That is cool. That is a nice feature. You can also have immersive reader view, and of course the mobile view that I showed you. So if you're reading transcripts, this is very useful, like scripts or long manuscripts. See. And of course you can draw. I can't emphasize it enough. So that's it, guys. 3 reasons why Microsoft Word is better than Google Docs. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, click like and subscribe, and follow Sydney CBD on Facebook and Instagram. If you have a broken smartphone that is in need of a screen replacement or battery replacement, message Sydney CBD over at Facebook. We are open 6 days a week, and we also fix iPhones, Androids, smartwatches, and tablets. So thanks for joining me, guys. Until next time, cheers.